Stephen Hamilton, Melissa Sinclair, Greg, and Patricia Turner, all just like most of us, lives interrupted by COVID-19 in 2020. All hoping that their trip to the mass vaccination center improves the prospects for the spring. Stephen's cleaning business, Top Notch Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning, took a hit last year.
We had a contract at the hospital in 2020, but we lost that due to COVID, but they called us back in November and we started doing services for them again. And we actually been getting other calls as far as the janitorial services concerned with coming in, fogging different businesses, churches. We've done it for churches and like barbershops and everything. And I can say that business has picked up since probably October, November of last year.
He hasn't always been confident about the vaccine.
I was kind of hesitant at first of getting it. I didn't want to get it this soon, but I did get COVID in February. I didn't have any major complications, and I am a diabetic. I didn't have any major complications. The main thing that I hated about it is having that quarantine, and I couldn't leave the room. And I just know that I'm in the hospitals, I'm dealing with customers, so I felt like I probably need to consider getting it. And my wife's a nurse, and she already received it. So with her getting it, asking questions, and asking other friends about getting it, I changed my mind and decided to go ahead and take a chance.
Melissa came in thinking about family and the impact COVID has had on her job in a real estate lawyer's office.
I really miss seeing my family. So with my family being in healthcare and law and always being around people, it makes it easier if we all have it, so we're not continuing to spread the virus back and forth. My job, I'm the one that answers the door, I'm the one that leads the people in, so I'm always in contact with people. So it helps protect me when other people aren't wearing masks or haven't gotten their vaccine yet. So, and my kids are in school, so they're constantly bringing stuff home, and it's just overall safety for the whole family.
She had no apprehension about getting the vaccine.
We have family in healthcare, and we all believe in the science. We believe that, there's not a conspiracy out there that all the scientists in the world are trying to poison us. We give vaccines to our children to go to school. We take them, ourselves when, you cut yourself on a rusty fence. So no, there was no apprehension.
Gregory and Patricia Turner are retired. COVID-19 was a wet blanket on their plans.
As retirees, we were trying to do a vacation of some sort about once a month, and that got completely shut down. So we were housebound for the entire year. From February of last year to February of this year, we pretty much did not go anywhere. And so COVID really changed our plans.
We have just been staying at home. We haven't really done anything. We have, since our grandkids are doing home interactive school, or we have been trying to help our daughter and son-in-law with that. So that's been very interesting.
Health leaders say too many among the minority communities are not coming forward to take the vaccine. Gregory Turner said he had no shot apprehension.
Nope, not a bit. We were ready to go as soon as we were eligible. Yeah. As soon as our group was eligible, we called that morning.
With step 1 out of the way, they'll be back in 3 weeks for their second dose, and then it's back to enjoying retirement.
We'll probably be going to Florida and maybe somewhere in the Pacific after that.
You can find numerous articles on the safety and efficacy of COVID-19 vaccines at cdc.gov. And you can learn more about the county's effort to provide vaccines at forsyth.cc/COVID update. I'm Ed McNeil for Forsyth County and the City of Winston-Salem.